yeah, baby. Okay, you know how I go. Hey, yeah, yeah. Okay, you know how I go when I'm always on my own. And you running through my mind and the weather's getting cold. And my homies getting cuffed and I'm stuck here all alone. And I'm scrolling through the gram and you pop up in my phone. Yeah, you know I'ma hit you on a late start. We don't gotta waste no. That house is creeping, this could be a secret, yeah. Yeah, girl, I like to keep things simple. Come through when you find what you went for. I remember you, girl, you my nympho. Don't tell me that changed, they be screaming my name really all night, baby. It's never too late for an all night, baby. We can set a fire for tomorrow, baby. Bring it right now, oh, I need it right now, yeah. Get you on your back, I know you love to. Even for the night, oh, girl, I want you. Hundreds in my phone, but girl, I called you. Girl, I know it's late, but okay, you know how I go, and I'm always on my own. And you running through my mind, and the weather's getting cold. And my homies getting cuffed, and I'm stuck here all alone. And I'm scrolling through the gram, and you pop up in my phone. Yeah, you know I'ma hit you on a late start. We don't gotta waste no. That house is creeping, this could be a secret, yeah.
I would like to compliment you here in front of your family because and I feel na magiging proud talaga sila sa'yo kasi sila yung kasama mo na lumaki and kita ko talaga na ang ganda ng influence nila sa'yo at ang ganda din ng influence mo sa kanila kasi napakabait mong anak.
Nung first time ko nalaman, syempre, batang-bata pa kami, no? So, nakakagulat. Syempre, parang mga bata pa, hindi pa handa sa mga ganong sitwasyon. Pero nung bandang huli, nakita na namin si Ineng, si Sandra, nakita na namin. Oh, ito na yung totoong hamon ng buhay.
So many amazing achievements, which greatly inspired me. We met through our hilarious and quite chaotic mothers, and we slowly got closer ever since we bonded. We've had great memories together, and I hope whenever you see this gift, you will always remember who you are whenever you get lost.
My first baby girl. Alam mo naman kung paano ka kalapit sa puso ko. Alam mo yun. And the world opens up for endless opportunities. Embrace it with joy and curiosity.
Ineng, ang ganda-ganda mo ngayong gabi. At kahit kailan, napakaganda mo. Katulad ka siguro ng lola mo.
Nung una kong nayakap si Ineng, una kong nakita, sobrang tuwa ako kasi sabi ko, parang nabuo yung pagkababae ko na talagang galing siya sa akin. Although hirap na hirap ako nung pinagbubuntis ko siya. Yung araw ko buong buo, lahat ng pagod nawawala pagka buhat ko siya at nahahadsan ko siya.
Napakapalad mo, Sandra, dahil meron kang mabuting magulang. At lagi mo silang sundin at lagi mong tandaan, you are called to be the light of the world.
Happy birthday, Sandra!
Laging tatandaan na mahal ka namin. Lagi lang ako nandito. Alam mo yan?
Lagi ko naman sinasabi sa'yo, di ba? Kung ano yung mga dapat mong gawin lang. Pasensya na. dahil nasa malayo si Papa.
Sobrang mahal na mahal ka namin at lagi mong tatandaan na ikaw yung aming inspirasyon. Lahat ginagawa namin para sa'yo dahil mahal na mahal